What advice would you give to guys who want to get into finishing or are thinking about it?
You have to have a lot of perseverance. There's no school for this, none. Hello everybody, once again it's Darryl Metzger coming to you from JVC Precision. I'm going to go through this fabricated piece of art as I finish it and prepare it for paint today. There's a lot of work to this. As you'll see, we're going to go start to finish, and you just follow me along and we'll see how it goes. Here at JVC supplied me with the best of the best. Here we have a really nice Dynabrade angle grinder for a 5-inch disc. It's about a 2 horsepower grinder, and it works like a workhorse. It never lets you down. We're going to start with an 80 ceramic disc here. It takes off a good chunk weld. We don't want to use a 36 first because it would take too much metal off. Therefore, we're just going to massage it with the 80. So I got to take this weld completely out, and we're going to make it flush on both sides and center and prepare it for the orbital. This specific customer we're working on here, they expect a high level of finish. It's going to be visually, everyone's going to see this from all angles, and we're going to have to make every weld and every surface 360 aesthetically pleasing for anyone who looks at it, without any holes, welds, pits, grind lines, etc., for paint to show through. Okay, so you can see what's going on here. There's an awful lot of welds, there's an awful lot of finishing on this piece. It takes an awful lot to get it to the point where it's going to be prepared for paint. It's enjoyable getting there. It's enjoyable to make something that looks like nasty come out looking good. We've removed all of the outer weld and weld stains and dimples from the outer surface on this edge here, and we prepared it now for the orbital sanding. So when it's painted, it's going to have a very nice finish, and you're not going to see any grind marks or welds.
Hey, one other thing. I noticed you don't wear any gloves.
No, I don't like to wear gloves. The dirt washes off quite easily, and the reason being is with the gloves, you have to hold on to the whatever tool you're using a lot harder, and it will make your hands sore a lot faster than it would without them. Here we have one of my favorite tools, Dynafile. We can have either a belt on here, rough or fine. This will put a beautiful soft radius on every corner with keeping all the edges smooth. So here we are again. I'm doing the other side of what you just saw previously. Going to do the exact same thing. So we're going to follow me through the steps a bit once again.
One question, real quick. What do you love about your job?
Oh, I love about my job making something like this look beautiful in the end, and having the customer look at it and have it aesthetically pleasing for everybody.